Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Musa Omar Mohammed, and I would like to start about presentation video that's about sustainable construction project training and development. First, empowering sustainable construction. This proposal outlines comprehensive training program to equip our project team with skills to implement sustainability standards in construction. It focuses on environmental responsibility, resource efficiency, and compliance with the international frameworks. So first, the project background, our building greener future. This is sustainable construction project located at our primary site is Nairobi, Kenya, aims to promote environmentally responsible and resource efficient practices. Our core objective is to minimize environmental impact by generating energy efficient technologies, sustainable materials, and waste reduction strategies. We emphasize innovation and accountability, balancing environmental, economic, and social considerations. Here we have our dedicated project training and development. The success of our sustainable construction project hinges on multidisciplinary teams, expertise, and collaboration. First, the project manager, site engineers, and quantity surveys. Here we have organizational structure that works our organization. So here we have transforming construction. Our project requires a comprehensive shift from traditional methods to a sustainability-oriented approach, integrating green principles throughout the life cycle. First, eco-friendly materials, adopting sustainable and recycled building components. Second, energy-efficient technology, implementing advanced energy-saving technologies. Third, waste reduction strategies for minimizing waste and maximizing recycling. These changes align with LEED and ISO, enhancing procurement procedures and monitoring for environmental performance. This fosters a culture of environmental responsibility, minimizing our ecological footprint and strengthening competitiveness. Change management and training needs analysis. A critical first step is analyzing training needs to ensure all team members have the competencies for new sustainability standards. First, skills gap assessment compares current skills against LEED and ISO benchmarks. And second is to data collection, surveys, interviews, and appraisals, gathering data on awareness and expertise. And third is to stakeholder consultation, ensuring training content aligns with competence with contemporary policies and logical and legal frameworks. This diagnostic tool identifies gaps between existing and required capabilities, guiding a tailored program for sustainable construction practices. Training design and delivery key methods. Our structured training program combines theoretical understanding with practical experience delivered over 2 weeks. First, introduction to sustainable principles, global frameworks, policies, and standards. And second is to sustainable materials and resource management, eco-friendly materials, procurement, and waste minimization. And third is to energy efficiency, environmental protection, conservation, carbon footprint reduction, and risk management. And four is to health, safety, and environmental compliance, safe practices aligned with ISO and OSHA. And the last is to monitoring and evaluation of sustainability performance, data collection, reporting, and continuous improvement. Delivery methods include blended learning, workshops, e-learning, and on-site demonstrations with continuous support and mentoring. Here we have evaluating training effectiveness. The final stage the final stage assesses whether learning outcomes and organizational objectives have been achieved using key practice 4-level model. First, reaction And the second is to learning. Third is the result and behavior of fourth. Evaluation data guides continuous improvement, ensuring the program contributes meaningfully to sustainable construction practices. Training budget strategic investment. A well-structured budget ensures successful implementation, viewing training and investment for long-term returns to $3,500. Total estimated cost is distributed across five key categories: budget rationally, cost effectiveness and value of money, equitable access to learning opportunities, accountability and transparency, aligns with sustainability principles to digital resources on-site training, budget components, training fees, external consultants and specialists, training materials, digital manuals, case studies, venue list and logistics facilities, refreshments, transport, evaluation assessment, tests, surveys, observations, administrative support, coordination, and documentation. Conclusion: empowering sustainable growth. This comprehensive training program is a strategic enabler for our sustainable construction project, fostering environmental responsibility and operational efficiency. First, need this analysis identifies skill gaps, and second, design and development creates tailored content, and third, delivery and implementation conducts training sessions. Fourth, an evaluation and feedback measures impact and guides improvement with a modest USD 3,500 investment. We anticipate substantial long-term gains in project performance, resource efficiency, and environmental outcomes, positioning us as leaders in sustainable building practices. بالله التوفيق. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.